So I got my girls a Polaris this year for Christmas. But it wouldn't be right if I just gave it to them. You know I'm gonna have to trick them at least a little bit. So I got them a couple RC cars. And I've been living it up for the last month, telling them how great the gift is gonna be. And I'm gonna give them these RC cars. But I've got the real gift hiding out behind the house. It's been a lot of fun setting this all up. I just really hope they love it.
Come on. Best Christmas gift ever. Look, and a second one. Come on. All right, y'all. Here it is. Look at it. It's a big surprise this year. And you know, if they got RC cars, they're gonna need helmets. But I got them covered. I got them helmets. I'm a good father. Don't doubt me. But I'm gonna go ahead and put these away. We gotta hide this. I don't need them seeing it. You know what I'm saying? But we're good. Let's go get these kids. They're gonna be so excited, so let down, all at the same time. It's gonna be beautiful. All right, let's go get them.
All right, shoes on, Zelly. Shoes on.
Shoes on.
All right, Zelly. You ready? You ready? You ready for the big gift? Yeah? All right, come on. Come on out. All right, you ready? It's raining a little bit. What? What? Aren't those the coolest?
I'm getting the bigger one.
Look, the remotes are right here. Look. Here, somebody take a remote, whatever remote. Come on now. Look, they're already charged up. Come on, man. Isn't that awesome? Uh-oh. You're running yourself over.
No, baby.
What? Try to move it like a round obstacle. There you go. That's pretty cool, isn't it? What do you think, Paisley?
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right. Puppies, let's go!
So I told my buddy I'd holler for the dogs as his cue to drive over with the Polaris. I'm gonna be honest, I thought they would be way more upset. And I'm glad that they weren't. They actually seem like they're having fun with these little RC cars. Which is really cool.
You have the little ones, Zoe? I knew there was something big. I literally knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew that was something big. I was like, this is what I got. I mean, it's cool, but like that ain't big. I knew.
All right, Paisley, check me out.
Look at Dad.
What do you think? What do you think, Zelly? Y'all excited? You excited to go for a trip with Mama? Yeah, don't worry about them. They'll fit later. Don't worry about the gloves. Let's hold on to the handlebar. Just buckle up. Right here.
You can't really feel your face? Yeah. That's because you're safe.
All right, Mama.
All right.
Take them off.
Well, let's see if you have her. You'll have her never because you're in your guys'.
Keep going right here.
ever would have guessed this is what you got? Zelly, how about you? Did you ever guess you would have got one of these? Huh? Yeah.
Yeah. And I basically did. I said a go-kart. This is basically a go-kart.
Yeah.
This is basically what I was thinking it was. Just not a Polaris. It wasn't called the go-kart. It's called the Polaris.
Unfortunately, Paisley got in trouble about a week before Christmas, so she got grounded and wasn't able to drive it.
Shoot it up, bro. I'm ready to
But
go.
that don't mean I can't have a little fun.
That was fucking sick. Oh, dude. Alright, I guess we gotta go in there. Oh, look ridiculous.
It is absolutely possible that I had entirely too much fun. But I know the girls are gonna love this gift too. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video.